just got a new patient by the name of Linda Bletcher. She came in for atrial fibrillation. Dr. Hu has prescribed her Coumadin, 5 milligrams PO daily for the atrial fibrillation. It's the starting doses for today and timestamp for now. I'm going to go in and check the MAR to make sure that the medication is the same from the written and the one that's in the MAR. I go into the MAR. Coumadin, 5 milligrams. Yep, and the expiration is 03/2040, so we're good on there. I'm going to close the MAR. I'm going to go check with my patient, introduce myself, see if she has any questions before pulling that medication. Okay? Hi, Miss Linda. How are you doing today? Good. I'm just going to pull the curtain. So my name is Kate. I'm going to be your nurse today. Yeah? Okay. So I heard that you came in for some atrial fibrillation. Do you know what that is? Okay, so that is when your heart rate, do you feel like your heart's beating really fast? Yeah, okay. So that's what atrial fibrillation is. It's when your heart is beating super fast and super irregular. So your doctor has prescribed you an anticoagulant, which is a blood thinner, and that's going to help slow down your heart rate. Dr. Hu prescribed you Coumadin. Have you ever taken that before? No? Okay. So that is going to be an oral medication. It's going to help slow down your heart rate. I'm just going to check and listen to your heart, okay? Yeah, it does seem like it is beating a little faster than it should be, so that's why that we gave that Dr. Hu prescribed that medication for you. Can you verify your name and date of birth, Miss Linda? Okay, Linda Bletcher, 09/04/1972. Okay, great. Do you have any allergies, Miss Linda? No? Okay. And one last question before I go grab that medication. Do you drink alcohol? Okay, no? Okay, good. Alright, we just want to double check because it can, with this blood thinner, it can make your blood even thinner because alcohol does make your blood thin. So we don't want to give this on top of it if you do drink alcohol on a regular basis. It's no judgment, we just want to make sure that we're giving you the right medication. No? Okay. Alright, do you have any issues drinking or swallowing? Okay, now I'm just going to help sit you up a little bit better. Could you just take a sip of water for me? Okay, great. Did that go down okay? Okay. I'm going to go grab that medication for you and then I'll be right back. Here's your call light and your water. Do you have any questions in the meantime? No? Okay, Miss Linda, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm going to go back into the MAR. I'm going to pull my Coumadin, 5 milligrams. The written order is Coumadin 5 milligrams PO for today and timestamp for now. The expiration is 03/2040, so we are good on that. Hi, Miss Linda. You still doing okay? Okay. Alright, so I do have that Coumadin for you. Did you have any questions before I gave this to you? So atrial fibrillation is when your heart is beating really, really fast and irregular. So your upper chambers are beating and they're going like this very fast, and we need it to be more in a rhythm. So that's why they prescribed this medication for you. Alright, I'm just going to log into my computer. I'm going to scan wristband. Hey, Miss Linda, can you verify your name and date of birth one more time? Scan the medication. Okay, great. And no allergies? Okay. Alright. I'm going to open the medication. Alright, here you go, Miss Linda. Okay. Got you down okay? Okay, good. I'm going to document that I gave her that medication. Alright. So I'm going to come back and check on you in 30 minutes. That heart monitor that's on you, the tele-monitor techs are going to be watching you to see how your heart does with this medication. If you start feeling dizzy or lightheaded, or if you get any bruising or bleeding, please don't hesitate to call. All right? Okay. I'll be back in 30 minutes to check on you, and we'll take a set of vitals and look at, listen to your heart again, okay? Okay. I documented that I gave that medication. It went down okay. All right, here's your water and your call light, and I'll be back in a little bit, Miss Linda, okay? All right.